Alright, this should be fun today. My buddy's got permission to fish a quarry in the middle of New York, so you never know what you're going to catch in a quarry. That's the cool thing. They're usually by the river, and the river overflows into them, and you get all sorts of different species in there. So this should be a lot of fun. Should be quality and variety of fish. What exactly, who the hell knows, but it should be fun, nevertheless. So I'm excited. See you at the water. Roads are pretty trashed up today. Here we are, the secret quarry. Oh, not that little. Take it back. Oh, instantaneously, man, got a fish on. Got my new rod, tuned up custom rod, eurotackle jig. Ooh, I got a big gill. Holy cow! That might be the biggest one I've ever caught. That's huge. That's easily 10 plus inches. Yeah, I got a really nice one. I don't think it's the biggest I've ever caught, but I think it's one of the heaviest. It's really thick. Oh man, that is a beautiful gill. 10 plus inches. Instantly another fish. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. That last one was only 9 1/4, but he was super tall on the back. Look at this one. That might be a part hybrid. He has a lot of blue on the face. That's another big one. Oh man, this is great. They're inhaling it. Yep. There he is. Not bad. Not a bad one. Oh yeah, he's tugging. He's decent. That's all I'm doing. Dropping near the bottom, dead sticking a little bit. Getting some nice gills. This feels like a little guy. Yep. Little bluegill. The tip on that tuned up custom rod is crazy. Another little guy. Maybe not as small as the last one. Yeah, a little nicer. They're just inhaling it. This is crazy. He hit it. There he is. Another one.
He's on the honey hole right now.
Big time. I mean, they're just, the second it touches the bottom, man, they're all over it. Here's another one. I got one.
That one slammed it.
Yep. Oh, it's a perch. Awesome.
That's bait right there. Some walleyes be eating.
Yep. Another one right after that perch. Another fish. Oh, I think I got you too, man.
Yep.
Sorry about that.
That's alright, buddy.
Nice little bluegill. Cool. Another bluegill, I think. Yep. Weird mix of smalls, mediums, and larges all in one hole. Strange. Hole hopping works. Hop to a new hole, you get aggressive bites right away.
Get the more aggressive one.
Little perch. Throw him back in. Found the perch again. Weird mix of little fish and big fish. And another one right after the first one. A little bit better one. He's taking a little drag. Nice gill. Quality gill. How about that?
Just like this. Definitely one there for sure.
I got one. Little guy. Little bluegill. Slamming the little guys. Oh no, this one's okay. He's taking a little drag. Yeah, girl. Oh yeah. Holy cow, I got a tank. Oh my gosh, that's a lipper. Wow, look at that. That's a nice gill, man. Out of 21 feet of water. That's at least as big as that first big one. That's a tank. Holy cow. Oh mama. Whew. Man. I'm tired of catching fish already. Too many fish. It's nice. You can really feel everything with it.
The first time you used it?
Yep. Yep, got one. It's an okay one. Feels okay. Taking a little drag. Oh yeah, that's a toad. That's a nice one. Solid 9-incher. Thick. Beautiful. This one hit it 4 times in a row. Looks like a decent one. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a big old pumpkin seed. Holy cow. Look at that. That is beautiful. I got something nice here. I don't think this is a bluegill. This is, yeah, this is something nice. This is a walleye or bass or something. If this is a bluegill, it's a 4-pound bluegill. Which I would be very happy with. We got something real here, girls. Come on, baby. He's going towards you a little bit. Oh, he popped off. Shit. He popped off. Oh, I can't believe I lost that big fish. That sucks. He just popped right off. This guy's been staring at it for a while.
You lost a big one, bro.
I lost a big one.
Yeah, we don't know what it was.
It was big, man. It wasn't a bluegill.
You didn't see it though?
No. I got one. Fish on. Hole hopping is what works. Ooh, it's a nice perch. Cool.
Perch?
Yeah, fat little perch. Neat. Something on here. Every time you hop holes, you get another aggressive fish, it seems like. It's pulling a little bit. Oh yeah! Now there's a toad of a bluegill. That's another really nice one. Look how thick these fish are too. Beautiful. Next drop down, another fish. Oh, this feels like another good one. Oh yeah, that's a monster. Oh my gosh. That is a toad. It's not a monster, but it's a really nice one. It's not an 11, but it is definitely a 9.5. That is a beautiful fish. There's a third one right in a row. Bang, bang, bang. I am smacking them all of a sudden. This one feels good too. Yep, another good one. That is another friggin' fat, almost tank bluegill. Got myself a hot dog with the works. I got him. He came up to meet it. Doesn't feel very big. Oh, it's a perch. Neat. Another little perch. Cool. There's another one. Right off the bottom, jigging it. Yep. Ooh. Really fat gill. Piggly gill. Another one. He's coming up pretty fast. Yeah, a little perch. I'm gonna toss this guy back in. Oh, here's some of the fish I caught today. Nice thick bluegills, some perch. I think Chris threw a couple in the pile too, but whatever. Mostly mine. Some nice fish. Jeepers, look at that gill. Fish on. Yeehaw, girl. She was just sitting on it too. It's a nice one. It's a decent fish. It's gotta be a gill. No, it's a nice perch. Yes! Nice perch. Look at that. Victory, son. We got a nice perch on our hands.